We're doing the tech tree update in Animal Company today. Sorry guys, I haven't been posting in a while, but let's get right into that. Oh, look, what is that? So look how cool that looks. Yo, I feel like... Dude,
explosion! We're back up, number one!
Get noobed! Please!
Can someone put revolver in?
Okay. Yo. Wait. Yo, I feel so weird, bro. Cause I haven't played this game in a while, bro. Alright, that's all I have. Cause I'm a fatty. I haven't seen the ogre update or this update. Did someone just crap and join my lobby? Bro, I feel like this has ammo and it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Stick. Weapons. Bags. Explosives. Toys. Crap. This guy stinks. I have that much money. 5 of those. So can I... Yo, I'm gonna go check out the ogre, bro. I haven't played VR in such a long time, bro. Yo, this is so big. We're checking out the VR stuff later. Oh, frick. Don't sniff me. No, I'm not here to be sniffed today. I'm gonna have to fart him in the head with a shotty. The frick. Oh, that's all rockety, 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 rock. It's 1 for the head and 2 for the body. PPM. Revolver! There's actually bullets in this one. No! Rat them cowboys. Oh, bah, bah, bah. Should we go crap another kid in the face? Get some cake, dog. I mean, you got some cake, dog. Bah, bah, bah. Is there any way to drop ammo in this? Bah, bah. I want to see this shoot, but I don't want to waste the ammo. Wait. I feel like I'm just gonna... Wait, do you lose your stuff? How do you, grab it? Oh, that's... I'm gonna put... I heard there was a way to save your stuff now. I'm not quite sure how to do that. Wait, can you? Can you well, bang? No. I don't think you can. Let's go claim this. Ooh. So I have 6. Yay! I have oh, so this doesn't hurt you more. Oh, yes, it does. Is there what is new? The frog is here. Yeah, I've seen all those. Oh well, I don't want to be a furry, so no. No new glasses. I think that one's new. I think that's it. Yeah. So let's just go in here. Not right. What is this? Yo, this is actually cool. Flashbang? What is that? What is that? Oh. Should I get the frying pan? Baseball bat? Picket? I think I'm gonna get the... Should I get that? Or should I cross country bag? Oh. I think I'm gonna have to go for Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he horse wanna go. My mama told me pick the very best one, and you are it. Oh, I can't go there. Oh. What is that? Smashed glow sticks. Dynamite. What is this? Crowbar. Flare gun. Whoa! Can I look in? Dang it. Oh! Think back. This way. Ow! Bro. Oh, I swear if I die. Let's stay up here for now. Oh, but there's more stuff up here too. What is that? Mastery? Let's go. The Mastery RPG. Dang. Let's not go down there. No. Actually, no, please. Thank you. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for saving my damn life. I'm so far. Don't give up now. Please don't do that. No, it's not. I guess. No, you can't stay. It's the top. Going this way. Yahoo! Be it. And it's just a flying pan. Locked. What do you mean? He locked. I'm stuck. Right, but I'm stuck. Okay. Found the exit. Stuff over here. Oh. Bruh. Where's the dang dynamite? Where's the dynamite? Huh? Oh, I'm stupid. Right here. Oh, maybe I have to. Oh. What? No. No. Okay. Let's see what this thing can do. Oh my god. Up. Well, that's the end of the video. Wait, hold up. Yeah! I know how to do stuff again, guys. That's the end of the video, so if you liked it, subscribe or you'll never see your pet again.